I just want to tell the people of India that you have nothing to worry about. You might be feeling that this is a very scary experience. We've never been locked up in our house. What is going to happen to us? I want you to know that this country is bigger than any disease. This country knows how to deal with much, much bigger challenges than the one we are facing. So I want you to think about this with a sense of confidence. If we are able to overcome this, it will put us actually in a much better place. It is challenging, it is difficult, but we will do it together. I am absolutely convinced that we will succeed. We will defeat this virus and India will come out at a better place. As a member of the opposition, I want to give support to the government, to all the governments, not just the national government, but the state governments. And I want to tell all the people who are fighting this battle that we are very proud of you. And we know the difficulties that you're going through, the trouble that you're going through. I think one of the things that hasn't been mentioned in this press conference, protective equipment for doctors and nurses. This is something that absolutely has to be delivered because they are at the forefront of this fight. But we must not deal with this through fear. Fear is not the prism we should use. The prism we should use is confidence. We are a great nation and we're going to win this fight. And we will come out much better on the other side.